You want to know what gets me really upset in a medical malpractice case? It's the case of a stillbirth where a mom takes a baby all the way to term, and because of a preventable medical mistake, that baby dies. And what really gets me angry is the defense that I hear when they ask the mom, how many children do you have? I've had clients who have had multiple children before the stillbirth. And this question almost seems to suggest, well, you already have children. So kind of what's the difference if you lost this one? And they don't come right out and say that. But my 33 years of experience as a medical malpractice lawyer in Maryland tells me that that's exactly what they're trying to communicate. They're trying to make the mother feel bad that she's bringing a lawsuit for a baby that died when she has other children, as if children are replaceable. And this is the kind of thing that I'm talking about sometimes in medical malpractice, about how the ridiculousness and the callousness of a defense can really turn people off to the medical establishment. And my clients want to know, how come if the doctor was responsible and made a mistake, why can't they just be accountable? Why are they dragging me through a lawsuit that takes 2 years or maybe more? Why are they dragging me through a deposition where they're grilling me for hours and hours and hours about every aspect of my life? Why are they making me sit in a court for 2 weeks in a trial and sitting up and cross-examining me and making me feel like the victim when I didn't do anything wrong? And I have to tell them that that's just the way the medical malpractice system works, and it's unfortunate sometimes. Sure, there are cases that need to go to trial because there's a legitimate dispute. But when there's a clear-cut case of medical malpractice, the medical establishment doesn't want to take accountability. Instead, it drags innocent people through a horrible process where they have to wait for years. Instead of taking accountability, they decide that they're going to put people through a gut-wrenching process where their life is going to be turned upside down and every aspect of their life is going to be examined under a microscope. And this is the problem. This is why people are beginning to have a lot of mistrust of the medical profession. Most people apologize and do the right thing and take accountability. But in the medical world, that's really the exception and not the rule. I wish it was different. So if you've had that kind of experience, I want to hear about it in the comments section. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe and like button. That way you can take advantage of all of my videos. I have a free YouTube channel, and on that channel, I have hundreds of videos because I want to answer medical malpractice questions so that you can become a more informed patient.